Got this Pathfinder today with an exhaust leak I'm gonna take care of today. And
you don't want to be like this. This is disgusting.
here's our problem. So I'll get some welding done in today. Now we'll be using this one today.
Ooh, frisky are we?
Okay, we now have the control wires connected, which is this one right here, nice and tight. This one, and then we have the positive lead. Make sure it's covered. And then this is our gas line for our gas. Get a wrench. Goes tight, but not that tight.
Yes, you are tight like a tiger.
Okay, so we're all hooked up. I'm not using gas because we don't have the gas tank yet. We're gonna be getting it soon, but we're gonna be using the wire feed. It's pretty cool how when you flip this up, Snap-on logos on there. So I already got the wire fed through here, right here. I got it tied. So now let's power it up. Gotta set this to make 3 and wire speed 5, and we should be able to roll through. So we gotta keep this straight just to feed it. Oh, there it is. She's fed through. Now we gotta check this for tightness. Make sure it's nice and tight. It's not too tight, but just right. So the way they tell you to do this is, depending on how tight you have your control here, you gotta hold this, press your wire feed, and it's supposed to be pretty pretty easy to go follow through. So we're pretty much set. Now we can get to welding. But before we get to the welding and the fun stuff, we gotta deal with more fun stuff before we even get started. So we gotta take these off. Gotta take this barbecue pit off. I hope that comes off. I have extra ones, but I hope it comes off. So let's get to it. Okay, so got the exhaust off. Gave it a little bit of a hard time, but I got it. I was able to take the nuts off in a good condition on both sides. But I got myself another freaking problem.
Oh no, no!
Just found this out. We got a leak right here, and I made it worse when I was taking the exhaust out, but I guess it's a way to find out you got another problem. So we gotta fix that today too. Now we get to do the fun stuff. We got a little light right here too. Iron Man style. Jarvis, close mask. Jarvis, open mask. How you like that? Need batteries. I think they have tried to put stuff on here before. I gotta clean all this up. Get my snap on jacket. Safety first. Step on. Alright, let's get to welding. Not the best, but it's my first time using this bad boy, so I still gotta get used to the settings. And this thing looks like it really likes to put some power in it so that you can get a these last one was a little bit better, but yeah, it's my first one, so I could just take a wheel and clean it a little bit. That's it for the exhaust. She's all done. Fixed the exhaust, fixed the coolant leaks. No more exhaust noise. This is my truck, by the way. All I did was, I don't know if you can see, so for the heaters, for the rear heater, I cut the lines out and put some hoses with some hose clamps for now. Replacing those coolant lines are a bitch, but she's running, she's good. She's going for a car wash next.
This piece for the door is the only one that's a little bit messed up. All the other ones are good. And they just took all of these off. So we have all these pieces too. They did paint this. If you look, they moved the sticker. They just moved the stickers. The car's actually that silver, like the hood. So it's actually that color, not this, you know, they actually painted this red. They did it right. They didn't include all of these, so I have to find these now, but yeah, it's actually silver. Luxury. And then also I found out that this thing right here, it works for covering the back window. Badass. Wild Jose in his natural habitat.